Hey, Lazy Girl Approved fam. I am back today with another Bobbi Boss wig review. I posted two yesterday. Hopefully I'll get this one up tonight. If not, it will be on Monday. And then I have another one right after I'm recording. Both Bobbi Boss, but we are going to start with Bobbi Boss Stefania. It is this lovely lady here, and I got her in the, what is it? TTHL1B/purple and TTHL1B/red. And she is 3488 on Elevate Styles. It's a Bobbi Boss synthetic hair swoop part HD 5-inch deep lace front wig, MLF646 Stefania. Swoop part, laid baby hair, 5-inch HD curved part. The two I did yesterday had the same thing. There's no more information than that, so let's just get to her. We're gonna start with the black and red. Let's just get her out and see what she looks like. All right, and this is the longer of the two other ones. This is the one I'll do next, and this is the one I did yesterday and this one. And I will say that it looks a little more wiggy out of the package, but probably can be brushed. The red is bright red, like I don't even know what you would call it. There's two combs in the front and one in the back. And it does have baby hairs, which I will be cutting off. So I wanted to show them to you guys. And it does have red baby hairs where the red is. My hands are not working today. Come on, we can do it. It's two red baby hairs. They're the curly baby hairs that seem to be easier for those to lay down for those who utilize baby hairs. So there's that. I'm going to cut them off and cut the lace off, cut them off, and then we'll see what she looks like on my head. Okay, just like with the other ones, if you cut off the baby hairs, you will cut off some of the regular, a lot of the regular hair, simply because if you don't have the precision of surgeon hands, you're going to cut some of the hair because it's so close. So do not freak out if you cut a bunch of hair off. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my. I love it. Okay. So she is again wait, hold on. Oh, this is a right side part. So for I think it was Psy 98. This is a right side part. So no, the other ones were left side. We now are on the right. We are now on the right. All right. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I think. I'm surprised. Okay, so it's definitely big head friendly. I don't technically need to test it because I can tell, but it goes way down here. So yes, big head friendly, but not so, it's not, I don't feel like it's going to fall off my little head just on its own. Now, if somebody pulled it really hard, maybe, but I don't let people get that close to me and pull my hair. I don't really go anywhere. That's a whole other thing. She's dumb cute. She is lovely light, just like the Emerson yesterday. I feel like I don't have anything on my head. If I didn't feel the hair on my face, you know, touching my face, I wouldn't even know I had a wig on, to be quite honest. She's super light. These freaking curls, these red, oh, I'm so glad I bought these. So glad. So and I can't see them as good as you guys will be able to see them, but it is the same hair as the Emerson in that it looks like healthy hair. It's shiny, but not in a wiggy way. It's shiny like you sprayed some of that shine stuff and, you know, either, let me back up. So when I got my hair colored before, I would get this shine stuff on it at Paul Mitchell. I used to go to the Paul Mitchell school and get it done, but there's not one near me now. And they put this shine stuff on it. And I know they have it in the store too, Sally, and even like Walmart has just a shine. It's like a clear shine. So it looks like, you know, you've had a treatment like that done at a salon is what it looks like. It does not look wiggy. And the reason I said it looked wiggy out of the package is this red. It's like this bright freaking red. Like, I don't even know. I think some people call it cherry. It is that like really bright red that, again, I feel like you're going for when you dye your hair red. This is what it looks like right after you dyed it. And then the next day it looks faded. But so, oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. And I'm trying not to babble as much today because I know that video was long yesterday and that was only one color each. So both those videos were long. So I have to get to the purple, which now I already know I'm going to love because look at this. Like, duh. I don't know who wouldn't love this. I think probably the only, I mean, the parting space is not horrible. It's not the best, but like, I could just go out like this without putting powder in it. I will put powder in it to show you guys. But, and the hairline is the same as the other ones. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. Honestly, this is fine for me. But for those of you that like pre-plucked, you know, but it's not like, how do I explain it? Like a lot of the Zuri Sisses are really thick and then the hairline is just really thick. It's not like that. It's not like there's a wall of hair right here. So it looks like looks like when I was 20 and I had a lot of hair. Let's just put it like that. I don't have that hairline anymore. My hairline is sparse. Let me put powder on the part real quick. And then we will do a 360 and then we will get to the black and purple. You guys, I'm so in love with this. Oh my. This is definitely going to be a TikTok video regular wig. I have not made a TikTok video for my Lazy Girl thing in a long time for my Lazy Girl TikTok, but I need to get back on it because it's for me. You guys, my hand, I can't see and turn it at the same time. My hand doesn't turn, for those of you that don't know. It's like my hand is fused, but it's not. It's just fused internally by itself. So I can't, it just doesn't, it doesn't move right. Okay, let's get a 360. She's so stinking pretty. I cannot. This looks like my hair. All right, let's get a 360. Okay, that was the 360. There's always hair in my face after I shake it out like that. So I went back and looked at the 360 just to make sure. It does look like it could use a little combing in the back. Like it does look a little waxy, wiggy. Not too bad, but it probably could use a little comb through back there if you're gonna go out of the house. But nothing, you know, just probably finger comb it. Rub your hands together and just finger comb it. We'll do that on the next one. On the purple. I don't want to take this off my head and I'm trying to get this out to y'all and not just talk on and whatnot. So let's do final thoughts at the end for both of them. Let's get to the purple one. Let's get her out. Out, out, out. All right. Just the card. Comes in the front, one in the back. Still didn't get my nails done. Today was one of those days I just didn't want to do anything. It took me, it's like nighttime. I'm doing these reviews now. It took me all day. She's so beautiful, you guys. Let me get this lace cut off. Let me do this. I'm going to put it with the lace on. I said I was going to give you guys one of these. Now I'm like, it's going to be really hard to choose which one. The comb just like stuck me. Oh, God. Oh, oh, that hurt. Wowsy. This lace is tight. Good God. It's tight and there's a lot of it. A lot of lace. And it's definitely not lined up. Hold on. Oh, God help me. Okay. Oh, I don't think, hold on. Even if I give this to you guys, I gotta cut this. It's, oh, thank you, Jesus. If you have a large head, you're gonna have to cut this lace before you put it on your head. It's, whew. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. So dang pretty. Trying to show you all the baby hairs, but they're like hard to see and pull down. There's quite a few. These are easier to brush into the hair than I thought they would be. She is pretty. I like the red one better. This is probably because I have the Emerson from yesterday already with the purple. I know it's straight, but it's definitely pretty. I think the one thing that sucks is when I turn, you know, when it's only color on one side, when I turn, I can't see it. You guys can see it, but I can't. So I'm gonna actually pause the video and look at it because I can't see it. Okay, I paused and looked at the video to see what it looks like. She's really pretty. She probably could use some combing out on this side because it's not as contrasty as the red, so the purple doesn't pop as much. So final, oh wait, 360. 360 of this lovely, yes. Hold please. All right, so that was the 360. Final thoughts are this. She's lazy girl approved. You don't have to do anything. You technically don't even have to put powder in the part. To me, it's just fine, just like this. It just defines a little bit more with the powder. The hairline is not the worst. It looks like young, healthy hair. So if you're, older, people will probably be like, oh, you have great hair for your age. Yeah. And it could be mistaken for your hair because it just looks like healthy hair that has been, given a treatment at the salon or something. She is not shedding, literally not one hair on here. So the other one was shedding with the hairs that I cut out. So this one I didn't cut the lace. There's no shedding at all. It does have the baby hairs, black and purple, black on this side and then purple here. It is a right side part. It's stupid light. It is very big head friendly. Well, so it's big head friendly to get your head in there, but this lace is dumb tight. So you will have to cut it. I have a small head and it was tight as heck on me. But it is big lace. Like the lace is really long. So you have a lot of lace to work with. If you like, some people do lace a little farther down and then lay the baby hairs and so on and so forth. It does have this weird curved part. I mean, it's kind of cool, but it's kind of weird too. It is HD lace. What else? She's $34.88, so I would say she's worth it. Even if it, like, this would look cute in a natural color. Like, she's just a really cute, bouncy unit. She probably could use some warm your hands up and comb your hair through it, or hands through it, comb your hair through your hair. Comb your fingers through the hair with some heat on your hands just to separate it a little bit, but you don't want to separate it too much where you mess up the curls. Yeah. And oh, before I forget, I have had a couple of you ask me about sending me a Christmas present or something like that. You do not have to. However, I will share my Amazon wish list and I have stuff on there from like $5 up. So feel free to get me something off there if you want to. I definitely don't want to make anybody feel like they have to, but I've just had a couple people ask like, hey, what would you want for Christmas? Or can I send you something? So there's that. What else, you guys? What else? I don't know. I like it. I love her. She's gorgeous. She looks like healthy hair. She's got a pop of color. She's got some style versus the Emerson that was straight. She's basically a curly Emerson. Curly Emerson. So if you were thinking of curling the Emerson, don't just get this, basically. I do like the red and black one better though, so. Let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for hanging out and spending time with me. And I especially want to say thank you to the people who watch my whole videos. Like, I appreciate you so much because I know they are long sometimes. I try to keep it cut down. Look, I'm rambling right now. But I appreciate you. I appreciate you oh so much. You have no idea. So thank you. Thank you. I will see you guys again soon. I'm about to record the shorty, so we'll see if I love her just as much. Bye, guys.